Amid raging political showdown in Maharashtra over the collapse of Shivaji Maharaj's statue just 8 months after its inauguration, Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday apologized to the people of Maharashtra. Speaking at a rally in Palghar, PM Modi acknowledged the deep hurt caused to the people who respect Chhatrapati Shivaji as a deity. Now, the incident which occurred on Monday sparked a massive political fight, with the opposition parties now slamming the government and asking the Prime Minister to take the responsibility.
और मैं आज सर झुका करके मेरे आराध्य देव छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की उनके चरणों में मस्तक रख के माफी मांगता हूं। हम वो लोग नहीं हैं जो आए दिन भारत मां के महान सपूत इसी धरती के लाल वीर सावरकर को अनाप शनाप गालियां देते रहते हैं, अपमानित करते रहते हैं। उसके बावजूद भी वीर सावरकर को गालियां देने के बावजूद भी माफी मांगने को जो तैयार नहीं है, और ये हमारे संस्कार है कि इस धरती पर आते ही आज मैंने पहला काम मेरे आराध्य देव छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज में उनके चरणों में सर झुका करके क्षमा मांगने का कर रहा हूं।
Well, the Bharatiya Janata Party has hailed the Prime Minister's apology. They said that this shows his greatness. Listen in.
ये बड़प्पन का सबसे बड़ा उदाहरण है ना कि आज प्रधानमंत्री जी महाराष्ट्र में आए और छत्रपति शिवाजी की मूर्ति के टूटने पर उन्होंने पूरे महाराष्ट्र के लोगों से क्षमा मांगा। ये इतना बड़ा उदार दिल होना ये उदाहरण है।
उन्होंने अपने महानता दिखाया है। छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के चरणों पे उन्होंने प्रणाम देकर उन्होंने माफी मांगा है। यही तो है हमें सीखने का नई पीढ़ियों को, यही है हमारे देश का सबसे बड़ा परंपरा।
And the opposition parties are not happy with just an apology. They continue to rain fire at the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Prime Minister. The NCP in Maharashtra released a video on social media saying that this will never be forgiven. The Congress, on the other hand, called PM's apology a Chunavi Maafi. Uddhav Thackeray Sena, on the other hand, said that apology is not enough and demanded the resignation of Maharashtra Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister.
But I must say the collapse of the statue symbolized many things that are wrong with this government. They seem to be inaugurating things in unseemly haste, and we have airport canopies collapsing, we have terminals that have gotten into trouble, we've had now the statue that has collapsed, we've had bridges collapsing within months of being inaugurated, we have highways with cracks opening up. This is a very poor reflection on the government's commitment to serious results.
आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आज आपको महाराष्ट्र की 13 करोड़ जनता के सामने नतमस्तक होकर माफी मांगनी पड़ी ना। छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज केवल महाराष्ट्र के आराध्य नहीं है, संपूर्ण भारत के आराध्य देव। आज अगर उनकी मूर्ति में किसी प्रकार का भ्रष्टाचार पाया जा रहा है तो सिर्फ माफी से तो काम नहीं चलने वाला। प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपके मुख्यमंत्री को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए, उप मुख्यमंत्री को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। आपके जो मंत्री हैं दीपक केसरकर, उनको तो तुरंत बर्खास्त करना चाहिए।
My colleague Nilesh joins us live on the broadcast. Nilesh, we saw protest after protest in Maharashtra after the collapse of this statue. Now, Prime Minister has apologized, but opposition clearly is not happy. They are seeking for the resignation of the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister of the state. Give us more details as to how this war of word has erupted over this issue.
Unfortunate incident was reported, that is the collapse of Shivaji Maharaj's statue. The opposition has been hitting hard punches on the government as well as on the center. Since now, the opposition has been demanding apology directly from the Prime Minister, since he was the one who had inaugurated the statue in December month last year. However, as PM Modi has extended his apologies, but the opposition is not losing down its punches and now is seeking resignation of the state government authorities. Meanwhile, the state government has also set up various committees in which the Navy officials and state government representatives are functioning and trying to gather out the reasons of why such incident occurred, due to what lapses. Meanwhile, the police has also arrested one of the accused who has been made into this FIR, who is arrested from Kolhapur yesterday. He is said to be the consultant of the structure. But looking at the assumptions, this is definitely an issue which has been captured with a strong hand by the opposition. And meanwhile, the opposition has also planned a protest today, where the Youth Congress protesters will be assembling near the Shivaji Maharaj statue and will be protesting against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, against the state government on this subject.
So the protest will continue and the opposition parties are calling it damage control ahead of the assembly election.